This is a good example of control joint. You know, it's failed, it's cracked, it's old. It's been kind of boogered in there. Doesn't look that good. But it's, you know, a driving rain, it lets water in. You can actually feel air. It's open to the inside. We'd fix this stuff. They grind this out and they fill it in, you know. Here's a tuck pointing example. Getting at that, you know, that's a place for rodents to get in. Mice, bugs. This is an area that, as far as rainwater, it's got very little fall. The grade is actually pretty flat here, so if you were to have a lot of water, it pools up, it sinks in down here, slab settles down, it erodes things away. It looks like over the years, they've kind of tried to seal up along the building there.
For complete details regarding the upcoming referendum, please visit the district website.